morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadia, and in today's video, so I know I have been missing on this channel for quite a while. I didn't know what to do, guys. Having two channels is hard. It is hard, but anyways, I've been neglecting this channel, and I decided I'm gonna turn this channel into my vlog channel. So that's what I'm doing today. Anyway, so I have my bedroom to redecorate for the summer. I know summer is just around the corner, and I want to redecorate my bedroom. When I say redecorate, I'm just gonna change some curtains and I'm not gonna change my sheet now because it have the color of the curtain that I want to put up. I want to put up blue, and I'm gonna add two blue um pillows and probably had some flowers, green or something, probably blue and green. Yeah. Anyways, so guys, stay tuned, stay blessed, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you like today's video, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your family and friends. And guys, I have another channel, the Cleaning Mommy. I'm gonna be doing all the cleaning videos over there. You know, um, this is gonna be like a vlog style over here. But on the other channel, I'll be doing the regular cleaning, complete cleaning, deep cleaning, all of that, Sunday research and all of that. But over here, I'll be doing the vlogs. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. Anyways, stay blessed and stay tuned. My bedroom, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove those red blue what am I saying red? Those burgundy curtains, and I have some blue here. I'm going to use the blue. I want to use yellow for the summer with blue or green. Um, but that is gonna be in another video. I don't have any yellow cushions. I've never had yellow cushions. I don't know. I've never think to try yellow, but I want to do yellow and blue. So I have the blue now. I'm gonna put up my blue curtains and the blue cushions, but I'm gonna wait for further down in the summer to get the yellow cushions so I can incorporate those in the house. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so if you want to see how I get this look or this outcome of my bedroom, you can go over and check out the Cleaning Mommy. The entire video when I'm doing the decorating and cleaning is going to be over there. So you can, check it out, show your support, your love, and please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your family and friends, and stay blessed. Later on in the afternoon, and I am on pickup duty. That's Jordan, Jamaya over there. Hello. It's raining. Let me show. Look at the rain. It's raining. Yep. Jordan, put your seatbelt on right now. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to pick up the older kids. Put your seatbelt on right now. Hmm? I'm kind of hungry. Hmm? What you had? Okay. What you had for lunch, Jordan? Sausage, yeah, sausage, rice, and yeah. So you can't eat it. Can't you're hungry. You can't eat no. Yeah, mom, I ate up all my food, and eat people in the garden. Very good. Not everyone knows what to eat. Like some people don't know what circus doing. They're like, oh, okay. Also, mom. Hmm?
My class, my classmate, my other friend didn't feel too good. And then she vomited on the floor, and then we have some free time, and then after that, we were playing on the time. I got reading.
Okay.
Outside. And I did. Because I have free time. Yeah.
What's wrong? I hate to drive in rain.
My foot is my box that was up by the clothes.
Your back got crushed? Your box?
My box got crushed by the clothes.
Hush.
Oh crap! Oh no! Take my shoes off.
You okay? You suppose? Yeah, you can.
Some of my food. Dude, why?
Hmm?
My clothes were sweating as heck.
Mm-hmm.
On in the socks. And I'm still wearing.
Still burning?
No, I'm still wearing it.
Okay. Come, sir. Come up, no, sir.
Yeah. Oh, so.
Mm-hmm. Hush, Jordan.
My foot's still everywhere. The worst part is me crushed up my butt.
So I pick up the other gremlins.
Yeah, right.
That's my nephew. Say hi, nephew. Nephew, say hi.
Hello. Nephew say
And that's, and that's person over there. All right, put our seatbelt.
You mean
Seatbelt.
cousin?
Your cousin, my nephew. Jessica is there.
Mommy.
We are going. So we are.
She was saying,
Bye.
he doesn't know how I do this. Like, do this. He still doesn't know how I do this. Do that though. But no.
Jessica, right? Jessica's skilled, you.
But I'm skilled too.
I know you're skilled. Jessica drew this.
Good, jealous.
My daughter got skills.
Just go home.
All right, seatbelt, seatbelt, seatbelt. Let's all starving.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't starve.
What you
I'm
doing?
hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
We're cooking. We have a late night cooking.
I'm bored.
Late pot, late night pot.
I'm hungry. I'm bored.
You're hungry, you're bored.
Yeah.
Can you be water next time?
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty?
And I'm bored.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
You can't be thirsty and bored at the same time. You have to be one of them. You should be thirsty bored. Justin, what are you?
We gonna say cheese.
I don't even know what I am.
Mommy.
Sean, we're all hungry. What's going on with your pot? Sean is cooking curry. Rice and pizza here, so. Ooh, it burns.
Are you okay, Mom?
I got burned.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Sean, I'm not something. What are you making, Sean? Shorts? Dinner time? Yeah, dinner time. Dinner time. You're tough like. It's dinner time. We're gonna eat. Yeah? You have what? She have a what, Sean? She have a gift for you. Look at me not having no clothes. I'm having on this, Sean. Not you. I'm having clothes, guys.
How much are we there?
Sean, you know what member in your family? 6 hours. Sir.
We can't have no family. We single, yeah?
You don't have no family?
We single.
You're single?
Yeah, me single man.
Okay, a single man.
The singular, just me alone.
A singular in a plural. Okay.
You know, plus.
Try and put flour in that gravy.
Now
Alright.
you have work on that and the man work on this, huh?
Why me I recommend me here?
Just
Daddy.
the foolish and that help. And you walk up dinner.
So yeah, sure, I ain't finished the gravy yet with the
Come
meat
on,
yet.
come on. Time I talk and time.
Oh my, I have something to give you, Sean. Come, turn around, Sean, turn
Remember
around.
when I've been dropping down, like, not dancing, doing that? No, they can't see either.
No man, do it.
Not dancing, by working faster. Well, I got a surprise for you. A proof that I can do better.
She got
94%.
94%.
Yes! High five! Yes!
Y'all must sit down poor Maya. Yeah, high five. Should I give her a hug? She gonna get a one. She get so she get one wrong, Sean, and a six marks for that the one. Right?
94%. Good job. Come high five. That's it for my girl. Bomb up in thing.
And also,
Good
I'm
job.
happy for my friend too. She got 100%.
She got 100%.
I was so close.
Maya said, "Mommy, my friend got 100. I was so close." So she feel proud, Sean. Mm-hmm.
This is a good girl. Maya tell her what? Every morning you with Maya.
Mm-hmm. My friend. I mean, me never get to meet her today because it was raining. Hmm? It me alright, Sean. It thick enough.
Daddy. Huh?
You want to see my brother?
Yeah. I got 94. 94.
I want to see your test now.
Justin, where is your test paper?
I didn't do it.
Jessica, show me her test paper. You can't no test at all.
Yeah.
I ask the teacher if you get test paper. How much you get in your
I
test?
didn't get any.
I
I didn't
was
get
doing tests.
Feel like
Yeah, you have to
Treven get field test back and Justin will get field.
Trevin get back in test paper?
Of course.
So Justin
How
will
are
get
you
test
so
paper.
sure?
Remember Treven tell me.
Jessica, how come Justin not get back no test paper? We go find from Justin teacher now, cause boy I probably don't want to show we in test paper, you know. Which test you fail?
Oh, this one, this one.
Which one you pass?
No.
I don't know.
Dad,
No, no.
Dad,